Hey folks, Brandon Boyd here, Master Distributor of Wake Up Now. In these next few minutes, I'm going to show you how you can live the life you've always dreamed of. In just 41 days with this company, I was a founder 7, and I'm going to show you some of the things I did to succeed. So what I do is I help people save, manage, and make money. I also created the #1 training website. I've also created marketing campaigns that generate incredible results for my entire team. Let me ask you a question. How many of you would like to minimize your tax liability? Would you like to reduce your debt using your current income? How many of you would like to save up to 22% off your existing cell phone bill? Would you like to save money on the things you buy every day? Would you like to save on cruises, condos, and hotels? Well, you can do all of these things as a member of Wake Up Now, and if taken advantage of, this can absolutely change your life as it has for mine. First, how can you reduce your tax liability? Let me just start off by telling each of you who are watching this right now that if you do not currently have a business, you are potentially losing thousands of dollars a year in tax deductions, so watching this will be worth your time. And even if you do have a business in place already, you will still want to watch this because you can now be protected better against an audit. So Wake Up Now partnered with Sandy Botkin, who created a system called TaxBot. Sandy was a former IRS trainer for over 20 years, so he has great credibility as part of this program, which separates it from all other programs out there. And through his unique system, whether you use your smartphone or computer, you can track your entire business, your miles, and your expenses on a monthly basis. And you don't need to worry about keeping receipts or doing mileage logs either. You can actually take a picture of the receipts and track your mileage with Google Maps everywhere you go and with everything you do. Now, just as a side note, Wake Up Now is not engaged in tax or accounting advice, so make sure and speak with a CPA or qualified tax advisor for more information on what you can and cannot do as a business owner. Now, when joining Wake Up Now, you have your own home-based business. That entitles you to over 450 tax deductions by law. This can increase on average your tax write-offs significantly, according to Sandy Botkin and other tax professionals. And second, how can you reduce your debt or even eliminate it completely using your current income? Sounds almost too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, I have found it's just simple math and a formula the software follows to make that happen. Through this unique system called Wake Up Now Finance, not only do you have all your budgets automated and bank accounts aggregated into one account, but you also have a debt elimination tool, which will prioritize your debts, whether it be a mortgage if you have one, any car loans you may have, any student loans from college, any credit card debt you may have, or any other debt in general. And then through the Debt Priority tab, it will take those debts and tell you exactly which one to pay down first, step by step, so that it takes out the guesswork for you. This information alone can literally save you years of interest payments and debt and can get you to financial freedom much faster than without this incredible software. And keep in mind, this is different than Quicken, Microsoft Money, Mint.com, and other softwares out there because it's not just a financial budgeting software. It's simpler to use, and the debt elimination piece is the most important part of the program, which those other systems do not have. Third, how can you save up to 22% a month off of your cell phone bill? So if you enroll today, you can get access to the Wake Up Now corporate discount with AT&T and T-Mobile, where you can get up to 22% off of your monthly bill. And you can do this even if you already have one of these companies, so make sure and get access to that today. Fourth, how can you save on the things you buy every day? So as a member of Wake Up Now, you get access to thousands of merchants where you can shop online and offline and save money from the stores that you already shop at. You can also save money when you actually go to the store, buy groceries, go to a restaurant, get an oil change, get a haircut, or anything else that you do on a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. The key here is that you don't have to change where you buy, what you buy, or how you buy. So you can keep buying what you are already buying, but for less as a member of Wake Up Now. How many of you like energy drinks or skincare products? Well, Wake Up Now has an energy drink line called Awaken, which is an all-natural energy drink without harmful synthetic stimulants, and you can get them for a fraction of the cost of what you might find out there. The skincare by Travani are also all natural ingredients as well. And fifth, how can you save on condos, cruises, and hotels? So through the Wake Up Now Vacation Club, you have the ability to save at over 2 million locations worldwide without being locked into contracts, paying yearly maintenance fees, and without the hassle of being sold into a frustrating timeshare that many people can't even get rid of. So whether you need a hotel, if you want to go on a cruise or stay at a resort condo, you can find amazing deals through this vacation club. So if you want to go to Park City, for example, or Treasure Island, Vegas, Disneyland, you can save a lot of money, time, and hassle. And the great thing is, it finally gives people the opportunity to travel to some of the places they've always desired without having to pay tremendous fees in the process. And don't forget, while you go on those trips, you can use TaxBot with the potential to write off a percentage of your trip as a business expense while you're out there having fun. Also included in your membership is Wake Up Now Protect, which gives you identity theft protection, credit score management, $25,000 of ID theft insurance, a complete PC makeover, up to $100 a day in free deals, 3 free magazines of your choice, and Wake Up Now Language, which gives you the option to learn several languages of your choice. So the question comes after seeing all this, and that is, what is Wake Up Now? It's as simple as this. Wake Up Now is a company who helps people save, manage, and make money. That's what we do. We provide solutions for a better life, and we can help people save thousands in interest, taxes, and spending, and as we do that, we change lives all around the world. Now, I understand many of you watching this really just want to know, okay, how do I make money with Wake Up Now, right? But the first thing that I want to mention, which I believe is absolutely critical, is that you need to take care of the monthly fee that you pay each month immediately so that your business overhead is taken care of on a monthly basis. And the easiest way that you can do that is by using the products and services that I just showed you in the first part of this presentation. For example, use TaxBot, get the cell phone discount, use the finance software. Because in using those, you should never have to spend more money on the monthly fee than you save in using what we provide. But the key is you have to use them. This is one of the major keys to retention. Second, you can also enroll 3 platinum members, and in return, you will receive a $100 bonus, which can be residual as each of those 3 remain active on autopay each month. In the process, that can help take care of your monthly fee. All that is required is that you have 90 group volume in 3 separate lines, and platinum members are also 90 volume so that you can receive commissions. Yet each time members make purchases, that is also going to increase your volume as well. So there's the $100 bonus. Now, this slide here is critical to pay attention to, because if you decide to build Wake Up Now as a business, I believe this is the most important part of the compensation plan. It truly is amazing. So now that you're a Director 3, your next step is to help those 3 get 3 as well. And as you follow our formula, B3H3G3, which stands for Bring 3, Help 3, Get 3, you will become a Founder 3 and part of the 600 Club. And here's how it works. You enroll 3 Platinum IBOs or preferred customers. You help those 3 enroll 3 as well. That equals 12 people, or group volume speaking, 1,170 group volume, which is going to give you a $600 residual bonus. Not fast start bonus, residual bonus. This is unheard of, folks, okay? And that bonus is residual as you maintain that group volume and you're active with 7 customers. All you need is a total of 360 group volume within 3 separate legs. Okay, again, all that is required is that you have 360 group volume in 3 separate lines, and platinum members yourself being 90 personal volume. And every time that they make those purchases, you can also increase your volume and commissions at the same time. Now, this is a chart that shows several different ways that you can become a Founder 3, and actually how simple it can be, since the structure doesn't have to be perfect. Again, you just have to make sure that you have 360 group volume in 3 separate lines, and how you choose to get that is entirely up to you. Here's a simple breakdown of Wake Up Now, the compensation plan at a glance. And this is very important to pay attention to before you just start looking at the different numbers. What I want to do is look at, again, Founder 3. If you look at the volume there, you've got 1,170 group volume. Your bonus is going to be $600 residual a month. Now, here's what's exciting. As we move up, as your volume increases, so does your check. And we hit Founder 4. A Founder 4 is a person who has personally enrolled at least 4 people, who has a Director 3, or again, 360 group volume in 4 separate lines. They've got a total group volume of 10,000. You get a residual bonus of $2,000 a month, plus up to $500 in the additional override as well, and $250 vacation bonus a month. That comes from the Vacation Club. Now, you can let that compound for 3 consecutive months if you'd like to go on a bigger trip at the same time. Okay? So, as we move up and you look at Founder 5, now you kick in an auto bonus. So you not only get the vacation bonus, you get the auto bonus as well. Now you have the vacation and the car bonus, which again can be tax deductible as part of your business. As we move up to Founder 7, again, to keep it consistent, so you've got 7 qualified lines that have 360 group volume. Your group volume total on your team is 80,000. You get 10,000 residual a month, plus the additional up to 4,000 a month, $500 a month on the vacation dollars, $500 a month on the auto bonus. So basically, you've got a nicer car as well as a Founder 7. And as I said before, I hit Founder 7 in just over a month, guys. This can absolutely be done. Some people ask, well, how much money can you make in this company? So the top rank is Global Executive. Now, this is not a cap on income, because with our retail bonuses and check match bonuses, there really is no cap on the income that you can make. But a Global Executive is a person that has 7 qualified lines, like a Founder 7. They have $1 million a month in volume going through their team. They get a bonus of $110,000 a month, plus up to an additional $4,000 a month. So you're talking about around $114,000 a month, plus $1,000 in the vacation dollars, and $1,000 a month as well on the auto bonus. Okay. Now, I don't want to spend a lot of time talking about this, because a lot of people, they haven't even made $10,000 in a month. Okay, but some people do ask that, and there is no cap because of the retail bonus and the check match bonus that we have at the same time. Folks, this is a life-changing compensation plan. You will not find another company out there who can compete with what we have from both the products and services combined with our compensation plan at the same time. And this is an income disclosure statement that you can get right off the company website, which is updated on a monthly basis to keep the latest results of the company. So if you decide to enroll today, you can sign up for free. That's right. It costs nothing to join Wake Up Now. So there's obstacle number 1 taken care of. You only pay a monthly subscription fee to be a business owner, and that is $99.95, which includes your website. It has no contract, and it's month to month, so there's no pressure. And as I mentioned before, if you would just simply use what we have, such as finance, TaxBot, and the others, even without the compensation plan, you can save more than you spend on the monthly fee, but the key is to use them. And the company does give a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and here's the details. Quite simple. All you have to do is stay with Wake Up Now as an active paying IBO or member for 12 consecutive months. So you just stay on autopay. You use 2 products at least once a month. So you use TaxBot or Finance, or you buy a pack of gum through the marketplace. It doesn't matter. You're using 2 products at least one time a month. You're going to earn a free trip up to $1,500 paid for by Wake Up Now through the Vacation Club. So it's almost like you get your money back, plus you get the tax deductions by being a business owner at the same time. It's a complete no-brainer. with that satisfaction guarantee. CEO Kirby Cochran is behind this company, and here's his track record. He built $1 billion company. He's funded over 200 companies, and he was a professor at 2 major universities. And here's what he said. He said that Wake Up Now has the potential to be the largest and most successful network marketing company of all time. And I just want to end by saying that I truly believe that Wake Up Now is the Google of network marketing, from the standpoint that there is no company who provides what we provide in one system and then at the same time pays what we pay. So I want to let you know that you're not going to go at this alone. I've done personal development and leadership training for years, and I make sure that every individual is taken care of. I'm going to provide to you things like videos. I've spent hours making videos that you can use. I've built pages that are 100% company compliant, which is key. So here's ways that you could fit in. I'm looking for a few people to start a new team with. I need leaders who can motivate other people that we enroll. So if you think you have what it takes, simply click on the button below, get registered, and one of my business startup strategists will get in contact with you to strategize with you to see how fast you want to build your business. They'll decide if you're wanting to do this as a hobby, strictly for the savings, or if you're looking for a full-time income to replace what you're currently doing. They'll find out where you are and what tools you need for training. So thanks for taking the time to watch my video today. Look forward to partnering with you, and as always, we'll see you at the top.